Good evening, Ethan Jr., and welcome to True Stars News. Tonight, we turn our attention to Springfield, Ohio, where former President Donald Trump has vowed to carry out mass deportations in response to false claims about the local Haitian immigrant community. These claims, which Trump repeated during his debate with Kamala Harris earlier this week, allege that migrants are killing and eating pets, and the town claims that local authorities have strongly denied. During a press conference at his Los Angeles golf course, Trump stated, "We will do large deportations from Springfield, Ohio, large deportations. We're going to get these people out." He went on to say that the town had been destroyed by immigration and that deportations would begin if he wins the presidential election. However, local officials, including Springfield's mayor and police chief, have categorically dismissed these rumors as baseless, with Mayor Bob Rue emphasizing the harm these false claims have caused the community. Bomb threats, some containing hate-filled messages against the Haitian population, have led to multiple school evacuations over the past week, further intensifying tensions. The Haitian immigrants in Springfield are in the U.S. legally under a federal program, and President Joe Biden has called Trump's remarks simply wrong, urging an end to the attacks on the Haitian community. This story continues to evolve as both local residents and national leaders react to the ongoing situation. We'll keep you updated on further developments right here on True Stars News. I'm Ethan Jr.